going on? I just kind of wanted to talk about apps. Apps. Apps sounds like a good. Not apps. Apps like from the App Store. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What I use for photo editing before I put it on Instagram is usually I have two that I really like so far. My favorite one would have to be Pixar. Pixar usually has, well, it does have a lot of, what are those called? Holy crap. Give me a minute. Has a lot of different effects that you can add to your photo, and it's just a great app, just all around. You can distort, you can put stickers on it, and it's got HDR, CDR or whatever. I don't know if that's. Don't quote me on any of this stuff. I'm just going off the top of my head, and I can't really remember correctly. But anyway, my second one would have to be Line Camera. It doesn't really have as many options to choose from as for effects that you can add to it. Some of them are alright, but the selection that you get to choose from for what is that called? Frames that you can put around your photo is it's pretty great. There's a lot of there's a lot of choices that you can pick from. So yeah, those are my two favorite ones. That's actually what that's actually what I used for my last photo that I posted on Instagram. The really dark, eerie one, kind of looking all intense. I don't know what you would call it. I actually had that photo for a while. I didn't know what to do with it because it was just so dark, and I couldn't bring any of the lighter colors out. So I was thinking to myself, well, what can I do with that? So I made it into a really dark black and white kind of memory-like photo. So I just found out today that Obama won. Oh man, I can't even say that with a straight face. I already knew that. I just don't like talking about that, so to me it's kind of boring. But anyway, I could have told you Obama was going to win about a month and a half ago. Actually, I don't know, it might have been 2 months ago. The reason why, I just kind of had a feeling that he was going to win based on one thing, his likability. I was walking down, yeah, that might sound stupid, but I was walking down an aisle, and the TV aisle, and it had Obama on there, and he was talking. Just kind of glanced over, and what I saw was like a trustworthy face. Like he doesn't even have to try. Like Romney would. Like Romney doesn't just doesn't have that. I don't know what you would call it, but he just doesn't have that feeling that just from looking at him, he doesn't have that feeling. And Obama doesn't even have to try. He's just he just looks like a good person. Like, you can trust him. But anyway, that's what I was basing his success as with the presidential election. So, yeah. Anyway. What else to talk about? You know, I had the craziest thought just run through my mind, and I just said it. The craziest thought. Oh, wow, I'm so lame. But you know what? I really don't care, because that makes me, me. I'm such a fool. Anyway. Yeah. Yo. I've not been listening to music at all lately. I don't know why. It just doesn't feel right to listen to music lately. And I can usually go and listen to, when I'm feeling like that, I can usually go and listen to, what is that called? Jazz. Oh, God, I love jazz. Anyway. Today I was watching a video on YouTube, and the guy was talking about whether if I had been, wow, hold on a minute. If I was sitting across from a millionaire, would I hate him just for that reason? Because he is a millionaire, and I was having a really hard time with financially, whatever else, life. And he seems to be having the best time of his life and whatnot. The answer to that would be no for me. I mean, if you're gonna dislike someone just for that reason, then what the hell, dude? Stop hating. If you're gonna hate someone or dislike someone, dislike them or hate them for the right reasons. Like, is he an asshole? Just kind of puts you down every time you speak or something? I don't know. Does he make fun of you? Does he make fun of you? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I gotta go shopping. It's gonna be exhausting. Oh wow, I don't want to go shopping. Anyway, I'm gonna have to. Gotta get bit of that. Wow, that was a huge. Okay, I'm gonna leave you with all that lameness that I just spewed. So, I will see you sometime, I guess. Yeah. Oh, God, I feel like, oh, wow. You know, today I was really tired, like, really tired, and, oh, my freaking neighbors have been cutting up a tree, and the sound of chainsaws, hearing it repeatedly for freaking the entire week is very annoying. So, today they took a break, which I was very happy about, because, you know, I like to take my naps, and, you know, I think that everybody should take a nap, because people don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna go. See ya!